We're an independent, not-for-profit community center, and we present a wide range of classes and programs and services, and highly inclusive. Everything from our playgroup, which is under 5s, after-school care, 7 to 12-year-olds, adult classes, workshops. We have the Northside Produce Market, and we offer venue hire. It's a very busy hub. This is a place of connection for so many people, and that's a big part of what we do. I think something that really drives the North Sydney Community Centre is that healthy humans is a healthy planet. So not just in terms of physical health, but also mental health and that sense of connection and community.
I coordinate the Northside Produce Market, which is a fundraiser for North Sydney Community Centre. It's now in its 22nd year, and so we have up to anywhere from 70 to 80 stallholders that come from all around New South Wales. We've got farmers growing organic food. We've got amazing bakers, artisan handcrafted food, and it's all fresh. The majority of our stallholders are the actual growers and makers themselves, and so it's a great place of connection to the source of food that our patrons are eating, but also to the growers and makers, and hence the environment.
And people say to us all the time, when they come to a fitness class, they say, "This class has saved my life." And not just my physical well-being, but their mental well-being. So many of the people that come to these classes go out afterwards and have a cup of coffee together, and they come here for that social interaction.
We're really inspired by Better Business Partnership, actually, and the small changes that they first came into the centre with, everything from on a financial level, and then also showed us what we could be doing on an environmental level. And I actually found it really interesting to see the change in the culture of the staff at the centre. I found that really wonderful, and I think it's just been a continual inspiration ever since.
So North Sydney Community Centre, being with BPP since 2013, the education and the support that comes from our affiliation is very helpful.